Hello guys, welcome back to Yaa Asantewaa's kitchen. Memawo akwaba to Yaa Asantewaa's kitchen. Today Yaa Asantewaa is going to make Chinese style steamed tilapia. Okay guys, let's look at the things we have here. Fish, lemon, coriander, garlic, chicken soup sauce, fish sauce, sugar, salt. Guys, the first step is wash the fish until it's clean. After washing the fish, I'm going to mash the fish. Put some sauce on the fish. Put them back to the plate. Next, cut the coriander. Next, cut the lemon. After cutting the lemon, I need to squeeze the lemon juice out. Guys, this is the lemon juice I get here. And now I'm going to add 1 spoon of the sugar in. Stir. And add the garlic in. After this, you leave the garlic in the sauce. Guys, now I'm going to make the chicken soup sauce. If you don't have this in your country, you can use the chicken powder, add it with some hot water, cook it for 3 to 5 minutes to make the chicken soup sauce. Now I'm going to add some water. chicken soup sauce in. Leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. The chicken soup sauce is ready. I'm going to pour it into the bowl. Add the coriander in. And add the garlic lemon sauce in. Mix them all. And 2 spoons of the fish sauce. Stir. And the sauce is ready. Now the fish and the sauce is ready. Next step is to fill in the reasonable amount of water in the pot. And put the hanger here and the fish in for it to steam 15 minutes. Alright guys, this is enough. I'm going to add the sauce and fish, just spread it around. And put some of the coriander on the fish. Leave it there to cook for 2 more minutes. Guys, the Chinese style steamed fish is ready. Check this out. Guys, this is our Chinese style steamed tilapia. You can eat it with rice. Eat it any time of the day. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you next time.